Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You know, not every Chevelle needs to have SS emblems and stripes on it. What we've got here is a nice, clean, honest 68 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. It does have its original number match 327, has cold air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, has original paperwork, just a good, honest car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read the specs, study 100 pictures of the car, and get the price. Not only of this car, we have a few hundred collector cars for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see them as they come out. Right now, join me in this 1968 Chevelle Malibu. Southern car. It was sold new. The original buyer's name in the dealership in Chattanooga, Tennessee is in here on the original warranty booklet. I have the first 12 years of vehicle inspections, all in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I bought the car down in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, so it's always lived there until I pulled it out and brought it here to Illinois. I walked up to it at a show. It just presents itself as a nice, clean, honest car. It's straight. Look at the body gaps. They're spot on. Just a good old car. And it's the original metal, the best I can tell. I was in here with a flashlight. No cuts, welds, splices. It's the original quarters. Bottom of the doors are clean. But again, look at the body. And it's super dry underneath too. Everything fits just spot on, real nice and square. You can literally open that door with one finger. The button pushes so easy. And that's nice. It's repainted its original color. I forget what they call it. It's like a teal blue. Has a really nice straight body. There's no bubbles or blisters. It's gloss black along the bottom. That's going to show everything, but it's smooth. And again, the gaps, I just said it 10 times, but the gaps are right on. All metal, clean body. Look how nice the hood fits in there. Original chrome. It shows really well. Standing here, it's shiny and looks great. You get up on it. I'd be a liar if I said it was new, but it's really nice. Windshield's nice and clear. They did put the 15x8 rally wheels on there. It's got all new trim. Tires look real recent. All the stainless trim looks to be original. This piece should be replaced. What happens, it slid down, and I think someone closed the door on it. It's all banged up. We'll replace that, but remind me, or remind the salesman when you buy it. But all the trim is real nice. Door handles are good, original. Door jambs are clean. Bottom of the door is spotless. Weather strip is new. Vinyl top looks like it's new. Rear bumper is original. Like I said, like the front, it shines really nice, but it's not perfect. Let me grab the key. Inside the trunk is just real nice, clean, original metal. Again, no rust. It's been spatter painted. Does have a jack, a spare. Weather strips in good shape. That's painted real nice. The factory spot welds and seams look really good there. Does have 6x9 speakers. They carpeted the tray. It should be like a cardboard, but it's got a piece of carpet there. God, that door opens easy. Original door panels, just enough patina to let you know they're not new, but the fact that they're 52 years old and look this good, pretty impressive. Someone took care of this car. Carpets look pretty fresh. The seats, at least the front seat's been reupholstered. Maybe the back one too. Does have a deluxe steering wheel and an upgraded stereo. It's got some auxiliary gauges below the dash. Just pops right over. Does have a Flowmaster dual exhaust. Under the hood is its number matching 327 four-barrel motor. That's a 275 horse motor. The motor supposedly is rebuilt and it looks fresh top to bottom. You You can tell it was spray painted orange while it was apart because all the hardware, freeze plugs, none of that has orange paint on it. The air conditioning is cold. It was updated to the R134 Freon. It does have a new Edelbrock with the electric choke. Everything in here is very tidy. All the brackets, hoses, fan shrouds, squirters look real nice. Got power steering and power brakes. Power Glide automatic transmission, 336 gears in the rear end. That's the original to the car. There is one blister right here, the size of my pinky nail. Couldn't ask for it to run better than that. So not a nut and bolt restored or cloned out Super Sport, just a clean, honest, original metal 68 Malibu with nice options, nice appearance. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. Can help answer questions about the car, the process, the shipping, financing. We'll help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.